lovely, welcome back to Glow Nest. If you've ever caught yourself staring into the mirror, gently pulling your hair back, and noticing those thin little patches that weren't always there, I want you to know, you are not alone. Maybe it's that one stubborn spot at the temples. Maybe your part is starting to look a little too wide. Or maybe you've just been shedding more hair than usual every time you brush. I know how much this can affect your confidence. Not just how you look, but how you feel. It's scary, it's frustrating. And when nothing seems to work, no oils, no pills, no magic serums, it can feel so hopeless. But I'm here to tell you, there is hope. And today I'm going to walk you through how I started regrowing hair in my thinning areas without using oils or pills in ways that are gentle, effective, and honestly, kind of life-changing. Let's do this together. The real reason behind hair thinning. Before we dive into the steps, it's super important to understand why this happens. And I'll keep it simple. Hair thinning in women is usually a combo of stress, hormone imbalance, poor scalp health, and reduced blood flow to the follicles. Things like tight hairstyles, overwashing, lack of sleep, even emotional trauma, they all silently build up over time. The follicles in those thin spots, they're not dead, they're just sleepy. They're alive but in a dormant phase. And the good news is, with the right stimulation and care, you can wake them back up. No need for greasy oils or supplements that mess with your system. Here are 5 simple, powerful tips that help me see a real difference, and I truly believe they can help you too. Tip 1. Start with daily scalp massage. No oils needed. I used to think massages only worked if you added oils, but the truth is, your fingers alone can do wonders. Use the pads of your fingers, not your nails. Start from the front of your scalp and gently move in small circular motions all the way to the back. Do this for 5 minutes a day, especially focusing on the thinning areas. This boosts blood circulation and encourages nutrients to reach those sleepy hair follicles. Bonus tip: do this while watching TV, listening to music, or even when you're winding down at night. Make it a habit, your scalp will thank you. Tip 2. Switch to a micro-exfoliating scalp brush. Buildup from shampoos, dead skin, and sweat can suffocate your roots, especially in areas that are already thinning. Use a gentle silicone scalp brush when shampooing. You can find one easily online. This lifts dirt without damaging your roots, and it also stimulates the scalp just like a massage would. Over time, you'll notice your scalp feels fresher, cleaner, and way more responsive to regrowth. Tip 3. Ditch tight hairstyles. They're sneaky villains. I didn't realize how much my tight buns and ponytails were contributing to thinning until I stopped doing them. Constant tension pulls at your hairline and weakens the follicles. It's called traction alopecia, and it's very real. Let your hair down more often. Or if you tie it, go for loose, low styles with soft scrunchies. It might feel like a small change, but over time it really protects those fragile roots. Tip 4. Try the scalp gym method, my favorite. Think of it as a workout for your scalp. It's weirdly fun and super effective. Here's how. After your regular scalp massage, spend a few extra minutes doing scalp push-ups. Basically, raise your eyebrows and then relax them slowly. Do this 10-15 times. Sounds silly, but it engages the muscles under your scalp, encouraging blood flow and oxygen. Combine this with deep breathing, and it becomes a little meditative moment of self-care. Tip 5. Use a silk pillowcase. It makes a bigger difference than you think. Regular pillowcases can cause friction, breakage, and stress on your hair overnight, especially on thin spots. A silk or satin pillowcase reduces that friction, keeping your strands protected while you sleep. Plus, it feels so luxurious. This one change made my hair feel stronger, less frizzy, and definitely helped reduce thinning in those delicate front sections. Now I want to share something that really gave my regrowth journey a boost, but only if you feel ready. It's called Foley Prime, and it's not a pill or oil. It's actually a unique Egyptian-inspired hair detox formula designed to cleanse, refresh, and reawaken your follicles, especially in thinning areas. What I loved most? It doesn't rely on harsh chemicals, and it focuses on scalp detoxification, which, as we just discussed, is so key to real regrowth. I used it consistently alongside these habits, and honestly, I started seeing little baby hairs coming in after just a few weeks. Not overnight, but real, slow progress. And I'm sharing this only because I wish someone had told me sooner. So beautiful. If you're feeling overwhelmed or discouraged, I just want you to remember, your hair is not broken. Your body isn't failing you. Sometimes it just needs the right kind of love and attention. And regrowth? It's possible. Gently, naturally, and without turning your routine upside down. If you'd like to explore Foley Prime, I've added the link in the description below. Feel free to check it out if you're looking for support. No pressure at all, just something that helped me, and might help you too. As always, I'm here for you. You're not alone on this journey, and you're doing better than you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell if you want more real talk wellness tips from someone who truly gets it. Sending love and thick, healthy hair vibes your way. See you in the next one.